Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Hi there, I'm Tom.
And I'm Lucy. Can I ask you a question?
Of course.
Do you ever feel nervous when you speak English?
That's such an important question.
Do you feel shy? Do you worry about making mistakes?
Maybe your heart beats fast when you need to talk to someone.
If you said yes, you're not alone.
Almost every English learner feels this way.
Today, we're going to help you speak with confidence.
No more stuttering, no more shyness.
Just confident, comfortable conversations.
Let's begin.
Tom, why do so many students feel nervous about speaking English?
I see this every day with my students.
Me too.
There are many reasons.
What's the biggest one?
Fear of making mistakes.
Ah, yes, this is huge.
Students think, what if I say something wrong?
What if people laugh at me?
What if they don't understand me?
These worries are so common.
But here's what students don't realize.
What's that?
Everyone makes mistakes.
Everyone.
Yes, even native speakers make mistakes every single day.
That's true. I make mistakes all the time.
Me too. I say the wrong word sometimes.
Or I forget what I wanted to say.
Exactly. If we make mistakes, it's completely normal for you to make mistakes.
Other reasons students feel nervous.
Worry about pronunciation.
Comparing themselves to native speakers.
Not enough practice with real conversations.
Sometimes a bad experience in the past.
Yes. Maybe someone corrected them harshly.
Or maybe they felt embarrassed once.
And now they're afraid it will happen again.
But here's what I want everyone to understand.
What?
Feeling nervous is completely normal.
It doesn't mean you can't speak English.
It doesn't mean your English is bad.
It just means you're human.
And the good news?
The feeling gets better with practice.
Much better.
Now, let's talk about mindset.
Mindset is so important.
What you think creates how you feel.
If you think I must be perfect, you'll feel nervous.
But if you think, I just want to communicate, you'll feel better.
Let me share some mindset shifts that help.
Please,
Instead of I must speak perfectly,
think communication matters more than perfection.
instead of I'm afraid of mistakes,
Think mistakes are proof I'm trying.
instead of people will judge me,
Think people want to understand me, not judge me.
these small changes in thinking make a big difference.
I have a student named Maria.
Tell us about her.
Maria was terrified to speak English.
Terrified.
Yes, she would shake when she needed to talk.
Oh no.
She thought she needed perfect English.
What happened?
I told her to change her goal.
Change her goal.
Yes. Instead of speak perfectly, her new goal was just communicate.
That's less pressure.
Exactly. And you know what?
What?
In 2 weeks, she was having conversations.
Just 2 weeks.
just by changing her mindset
She stopped worrying about perfection.
and started focusing on connection.
That's beautiful.
Now, let's talk about preparation.
Preparation builds confidence.
Yes, you can prepare before conversations.
How?
Learn 5 to 10 ready phrases you can always use.
Ready phrases.
Yes, phrases that work in many situations.
Like what?
Nice to meet you.
How are you?
I'm learning English.
That's a great one.
Can you speak slowly, please?
I don't understand. Can you repeat?
That's interesting.
These phrases are like safety nets.
Exactly. When you feel nervous, use a ready phrase.
What else can people do to prepare?
Practice common conversations at home.
By themselves.
Yes. Practice introducing yourself.
Practice asking questions.
Practice ordering at a cafe.
Mental preparation is important too.
What do you mean?
Before a conversation, take 3 deep breaths.
Deep breathing calms your body.
Tell yourself, I can do this.
Remember that people are usually kind and helpful.
Visualize a successful conversation.
And accept that mistakes might happen.
And that's okay.
Now, what about during the conversation?
Let me share some techniques.
Please.
First, breathing.
Breathing?
Yes, when you feel nervous, breathe slowly and deeply.
In through your nose, out through your mouth.
Slow breathing calms your whole body.
You can do this during the conversation.
Nobody will notice.
What about body language?
Great question, smile.
Smiling makes you feel more confident.
And it makes other people comfortable.
Make eye contact.
But it's okay to look away sometimes.
Stand or sit up straight.
Relax your shoulders.
Body language affects how you feel.
Now, what if you forget a word?
This happens to everyone.
Don't panic.
Describe the word instead.
Like the thing you use to eat instead of fork.
Use a simpler word you know,
Ask, how do you say?
or use your phone to look it up.
It's okay, people understand.
What if you make a mistake?
Keep going.
Don't stop and apologize.
If it's important, correct it quickly.
Sorry, I mean,
Then continue.
if they understood you, the mistake doesn't matter.
What if you need time to think?
It's completely okay to pause.
Say, let me think.
Or, well,
These are natural in conversation.
native speakers pause too.
Don't rush yourself.
Now, here's an important strategy.
What is it?
Start small.
Start small.
Yes, don't start with difficult conversations.
Build your confidence step by step.
Let me give you a plan.
I'm listening.
Week 1. Say hello to someone.
Just hello?
Just hello, that's enough.
Week 2.
Have a 30-second conversation.
About the weather or something simple.
Week 3. Have a 2-minute conversation.
Week 4.
Join a conversation with friends.
Then month 2.
Talk to strangers in shops or cafes.
Month 3.
Have longer, deeper conversations.
This is brilliant.
Easy first conversations could be
Ordering at a cafe.
asking for directions,
Commenting on the weather.
complimenting someone.
Simple questions at a store.
I have a student named Ahmed.
What did he do?
He started by just saying good morning to his neighbor.
That's all.
That's all. Just good morning.
Then what?
The next week he said good morning. And how are you?
He added a little more.
Every week he added a little more.
And after 3 months?
He could have full conversations with his neighbor.
Starting small really works.
It builds confidence gradually.
Now, we need to talk about mistakes.
This is so important.
Many students are terrified of mistakes.
But mistakes are your friends.
Friends?
Yes, mistakes mean you're trying.
No mistakes means no learning.
Think about it this way.
How?
If you never make mistakes, it means you're not challenging yourself.
You're staying in your comfort zone.
Mistakes mean you're being brave.
You're trying new things.
And here's the truth about mistakes.
Tell us.
Most mistakes don't stop understanding.
People usually don't notice small mistakes.
They focus on what you're saying, not how you say it.
People remember your friendliness, not your grammar.
Native speakers make mistakes every day,
Perfect English doesn't exist.
even for native speakers.
So please don't be afraid of mistakes.
They're proof you're learning.
Let's review everything.
Great idea.
First, understand that nervousness is normal.
Everyone feels it.
Second, change your mindset.
Focus on communication, not perfection.
Third, prepare.
Have ready phrases and practice at home.
Fourth, use techniques during conversation.
Breathe slowly. Smile. It's okay to pause.
Fifth, start small.
Build confidence gradually, step by step.
Sixth, change your relationship with mistakes.
Mistakes are proof you're trying.
They're necessary for learning.
Now here's your challenge.
A challenge.
Yes. Today, have one small conversation in English.
Just one.
Say hello to someone.
Ask one question at a store.
Comment on the weather to a neighbor.
Just one small conversation.
That's all you need to start.
Tomorrow, do it again.
Every day, one small conversation.
Your confidence will grow.
I promise.
Remember, confidence doesn't come from being perfect.
It comes from being brave.
From trying, even when you're nervous.
Every conversation makes you stronger.
Every mistake teaches you something.
You don't need perfect English to communicate.
You just need to start.
We believe in you.
You can do this.
Great job today, everyone.
You learned powerful techniques.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button.
Now go have a conversation.
Be brave.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.